Okay guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back. And now we have discussion about function. Functions, paper 1, O-level mathematics. First of all, I just want to clear about what is dependent and independent variable. For example, you have f of x equal to 2x plus 1. बच्चों पहले तो ये बताओ, इज दिस अ लीनियर और नॉन लीनियर फंक्शन? क्या दिस इज अ लीनियर फंक्शन? अब मैं इसको क्यों फंक्शन कह रहा हूं, पहले तो मैं यही स्टॉप हो जाता हूं. यू हैव टू बी क्लियर अबाउट कि व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड द फंक्शन. सो फंक्शन, डेफिनेशन ऑफ फंक्शन, definition of function. Function is the relationship between two variables one is dependent and another one is independent. What does it means? For example, we have y equal to 2x plus 1. This is a linear equation, and this linear equation has two nature of variable. One is dependent and another one is independent. So left side of the variable is called dependent variable. It is common practice in mathematics, we keep dependent variable on left side of the equation, and this is called independent variable. This is called independent. Clear? Okay. There are another names in function. Dependent variable is called range of the function, and independent variable is called domain of the function. In function, one is range and other is domain. One is range, other is domain. What about the range and domain? Okay. Y represent range of function. X represent domain of function. One important thing, if we put value of domain, that is x, which may be 1, 2 और so on n, कोई भी वैल्यू हो सकती है, कोई भी नेचुरल नंबर हो सकता है. अभी हम ये कह रहे हैं कि इट्स बिलोंग फ्रॉम नेचुरल नंबर 1 to n. When we substitute this value in our equation, and we get single answer of range, it is called functional relationship. For example, y equal to 2x plus 1. If x equal to 1 पुट करते हैं, क्या आएगा? 2 into 1 plus 1, तो 2 1 are 2 और plus 1, answer is 3. What is the range? You have a unique answer of range, single answer of range when we substitute the value of x here. अब अगर for example you have this kind of the relation, y equal to plus minus x. अब now look at this one. If we put the value of x here 1, so what you have? Y equal to plus minus 1. What does it mean? Y equal to 1 and minus 1. So it means के answer of the range is not a single number. You have the two multiple numbers. So this relation is called relationship. It is not called the functional relationship. इसको हम functional relationship नहीं कहते. तो पहली बात तो ये क्लियर हो जाना चाहिए कि what is functional relationship or what is relationship. When we substitute the value of domain is normally represented by x or independent variable. When we substitute the value of independent variable in our function and answer of function is unique answer or single number, तो it means यानी 1 2 3 4 5 any number, तो it means के that relationship is called functional relationship. If you have the multiple answer, so that relationship is called only a relationship, not a functional relationship. अब function may be linear or it may be non-linear. Function may be linear and non-linear. Yes, fx equal to 2x plus 1. Power of x is 1. This is linear function. Linear function. It is range and this one is domain. Non-linear function. If f of x equal to 2x square plus 1, degree of equation is 2. So this is non-linear function. This is non-linear function. Okay, ये non-linear function कहलाता है. अब now अब हम ये कहते हैं फॉर एग्जाम्पल फाइंड f of -2. What does it means? ये फाइंड आउट करना फॉर दीज टू फंक्शन. हियर क्या मतलब हुआ? वैल्यू ऑफ x इज -2. ठीक है, x की वैल्यू क्या हो गई? -2. सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं इस वैल्यू के अंदर. ये हमने पिक किया f of -2 equal to 2 into -2 और +1. तो -2 2s are 4 and +1 equal to -3. Plus minus 4 is larger than greater than 1, so you will have the -3. Clear? This is your required answer. Now this one, f of -2 equal to 2 square plus 1. क्या कर रहा हूं? अब इस वैल्यू के अंदर, नाउ दिस इज नॉन लीनियर फंक्शन, नॉन लीनियर के अंदर पुट कर रहा हूं -2. तो क्या होगा? 2 -2 का स्क्वायर पॉजिटिव 4, 2 2 जा 4, पॉजिटिव 4 प्लस 1. अब देखो स्क्वायर हट गया तो क्या हो जाएगा? 2 4 जा 8 प्लस 1, सो यू विल हैव 9. क्लियर? तो इज दैट क्लियर? तो ये हमने एक बेसिक से एग्जांपल की है टू अंडरस्टैंड के हाउ यू कैन सॉल्व this linear or non-linear nature of function. Now we will select some past paper questions और वो questions जो multiple papers के अंदर टेस्ट हो चुके हैं, और इंशाल्लाह जो अगर आपके अपकमिंग कोई टेस्ट या एग्जाम्स होते हैं, अर्ली एग्जाम्स हो गए और हाफ ईयरली हो गए, तो hopefully you will be able to understand how you can resolve or how you can solve that question. किस तरीके से उन क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. तो now I am selecting one past paper question. Clear? अब जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये दिया हुआ था f of x equal to x square -4. कह रहे फाइंड f of -2. ये फाइंड करना है. ठीक है, ये फाइंड करना है. तो क्या करूंगा? देखो x की वैल्यू क्या है? x की वैल्यू इज हियर -2. सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देते हैं. नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूट दिस वन, -2 into 4, -2 का स्क्वायर प्लस 4, 2 2 जा 4, this one is -4, so one is plus, another one is minus, so you will have 0. So f of -2 equal to 0. This is your required answer. Clear? Now take another example. Okay, f of x equal to 5 plus 3x. अच्छा अच्छा बच्चों ये बताओ, what will be the nature of this function? It is non-linear function. Non-linear function. Clear? ये एक non-linear function. अब now take another example. F of x equal to 5 plus 3x. क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है f of x equal to 5 plus 3x. What about the nature of this function? It is a linear function. Why this is a linear function? Now check the power of x or degree of the equation. Degree of equation is 1. So this is called the linear function. What you need to find out? You need to find out minus f of 2. ये निकालना है. Minus 1 upon 2. F of minus 1 upon 2 you have to find out. So it is your x. Okay? This value is your x. So solution is 3. x की जगह क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट करूंगा? into minus 1 upon 2. तो 5 plus minus 3 1 जा 3 upon 2. Clear? टेक एलसीएम. इसके नीचे क्या है? 1. एलसीएम इज 2. सो 2 1 जा 2. 5 into 2. 2 1 जा 2. So 3 multiplied by 1. So what you have? 5 2 are 10. 3 1 are 3 upon 2. So what is your answer? 7 upon 2. So f of minus 7 upon 2 convert into improper fraction. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 1. So f of minus 1 upon 2 equal to 2 3 and 1. Okay, 3 whole number 1 upon 2. Answer as per examiner. As per examiner. Clear? जो एग्जामिनर की रिक्वायरमेंट है उस हिसाब से हमने इसका आंसर लिख दिया यहाँ पे. ओके, सो दीज आर सम बेसिक क्वेश्चंस. होपफुली आप लोगों को क्लियर हो गया होगा कि हाउ यू कैन सॉल्व द वैल्यू ऑफ फंक्शंस सब्जेक्ट टू द डिफरेंट वैल्यू ऑफ द डोमेन्स. So in coming video, inshallah, we will move towards further important questions. These questions may be difficult for you, but inshallah you will be, after completion of my lecture, all the questions will be easy for you. It is my promise with you. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.